Okay, I'm calling in this little monster with the marshmallow pad on the front. This is the Rotex. It's the 90 millimeter, centimeter? I don't know. Must be millimeter. So it's a teeny tiny sander, and then there's different settings. You can do really heavy grind, fine finish, and then there's actually an attachment you can put on here. It's a detail sander where it's a triangle. I am going to see how it cuts. I have a lot of 100 paper, and so I want to see how it gets through this finish, especially dealing with the grooves and everything. Okay, so it hasn't loaded too much. It's okay. It's deglossing some of these areas that are hard to reach for the other tools. It's really giving me kind of a satiny, satiny finish here. Let's see. Can you see this over here? Okay, so I mean, it's okay. It's not great. Honestly, I have scrapers that are faster. I just need to go get them. So as you can see, even this guy that's not exactly the shape I need, I can get that or my little Baco to do some of these little details, and then we'll kind of go over through it with a softer sanding head. But I'm sure there's going to be places where this guy's going to come in handy if it's super dished out. So maybe that's the one I let my kids play with to help out on this flooring project. So anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see how this floor turns out.